beautiful people. Okay, so do you see the difference? Even though they look like the W letter looks like two V's together, it doesn't have the V sound. It has a W sound, like warm,
Wow.
want, right? So it's kind of like you close and you open your mouth. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Makes sense.
Right? What, right?
Yes. What?
Okay. So the other one is V. Okay, so let's take a look. So vest. All right, let's do the minimal pairs and then we can do that. So vest,
Vest.
vest,
West.
west,
West.
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 Can you west?
veil,
Veil.
Veil.
sorry, veil,
Veil.
Veil.
and whale.
Well.
Whale.
Bell.
Vine
Fine.
Vine.
Vine.
and wine.
Wine.
Vine.
Viper,
Viper.
wiper.
Wiper.
Viper.
Vast,
Vast.
Last.
fast.
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 Very, I don't know why the F sounds
The F.
very. Okay.
Very.
All right. Grove,
Grove.
Grove.
grew.
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 There's no, yeah. Okay.
Grove.
So let's try this one.
This one.
West,
West.
West.
wood.
Good.
Wood.
Wood.
Once,
Once.
still of that W sound. Wagon,
Wagon.
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 worry,
Worry.
Worry.
narrow.
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 Oh,
Sure.
those kind of go off, so I don't know why they have them there.